video ended, so it was whatever. I'm not even stressing. But just want to slice it up a little bit. Right to the core. Hold on. Yeah, I'm glad I cut it now. And even though I can't tell, I don't eat it consistently. I can tell if I did weight it, it would have, could have turned his day. But all right, that'd be swear. Because yeah, dang, the fruit flies coming on it too. Like that's what let me know it's ready to be eaten. I'm about to use a lot more of it because I feel like ready to consume. And one, I'm about to like make some papaya drink out of it. So yeah. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. You guys want to book a consultation. Oh, that rhymed. Give it a link down in the description box below. Peace, love, and light, yo.